Alright, the Evel Knievel Wheelie Car. Out of the two die casts, I couldn't tell, that being the dragster, that being a Formula One. The Wheelie Car's got a serial number, the actual Wheelie Car, where it starts with an F1, but it's a dragster. It just wants to stand on a wheelie mode. When you put the decals on, make sure you put those back ones on a little slant, because when it's on wheelie like that, it wants to be up. You got the ones for the side, the stars, the red stripes going under the motor. So they run the back and down and then under the motor. Then you got the hood decal and a star here. When you take apart, if you take the body off, you only need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 6 screws to the bottom. The white top shell will come off. You got these 6 screws here and then 1 in the back, so 7. This one you don't want to tighten in too much, or you won't be able to pull out the front, which extends and gives it balance in case you want to run it without wheeling, or supposed to want to. But I think you can still probably get it to come up. There we go. And how this parachute thing works, so that there is going to be a lock. So when you actually have a parachute pushed in, that locks in, and out on the bottom comes this little tongue. And this is all mounted to this gearbox, believe it or not. And so when it would go in wheelie mode, this unlocks, right? But it won't fire off till the gearbox winds down, and then watch, when I push this here, punches out the parachute, and then it would, slow down. The seat is a loose piece that's this front axle, the body, and then the gearbox in the back half of the body. That's all there is to this. So I hope Steve Darnell, when he got the real wheelie car running, put a seatbelt in, because Evel wants to fall right out of this when he's wheeling and hits something. But let's give the old wheelie car a run. I watched the roast of Evel Knievel, the old Dean Martin roast, and taking the dog's bed set up down by the furnace there. And anyway, so Don Rickles is roasting Evel Knievel, and William Conrad, the guy who played Cannon, was also in that seating arrangement. He was picking on William Conrad about, you're going to die if you keep eating like that. Big, heavy guy. And he looks at Evel and he says, "And Evel, you're never going to die. You had your chance." Here we go. Woohoo! Yes, the wheelie car.